Hey folks, today is Tuesday, January the 12th, 2016. Here are your announcements. First of all, our first deadline is Friday, so make sure you're on track to finish. I don't know why it says I'm at there. I didn't see that. I must have been typing something else and it came up. But make sure that you're on track to finish by Friday at midnight your time. So, yeah. Also, in Canvas, there's a new counselor page. You should have been added as a student to that page. If you weren't, please let me know and I will add you. Has a lot of information that you need to have. Seniors, as I've said for a few days now, you need to start filling out your FAFSA. Ms. Littlemeyer can help you with that. I know she sent out some links and things about that. So if you're a senior, you need to get started on that immediately. The word of the day, and I kid you not, and I get these from the Merriam, like the Webster Dictionary website. Today's word of the day is procrastinate, which is to put off intentionally and habitually. That's what the habitual part, I mean, is pretty bad because it means you're doing it all the time. But the real bad part of procrastination is it's something you do intentionally. Instead of doing what you're supposed to do, you put it off. And honestly, procrastination has historically been the biggest problem at TOPS for students because, I don't know, somewhere in 40-year-olds do it too. But it's somehow in your teenage mind, you convince yourself it's going to be okay. And the biggest problem with procrastination isn't the fact that you're turning in mediocre work or not getting your work in on time and getting absences and zeros. The worst part of procrastination is that you live in a constant state of stress because it's always weighing on your mind that you have these things to do and then you're not doing them. So really, instead of having time off that you can enjoy, you basically give yourself time off that you can't enjoy because you're stressed by what you have coming up. It's not a healthy way to live and will age you very quickly. So the thought for the day is don't procrastinate. Just do something. Do even like if you're just not feeling it, do at least a little something to get something accomplished. That way you have less to do later. I don't know. But like if you haven't started any of your work that's due Friday, you have been procrastinating. So you need to get started, get on it, and do a good job. And that's the whole thing. You cannot do your best work if you're doing it all at the last minute. No matter how much you convince yourself, oh, that's when I do my best stuff. No, that's not. You do your best stuff when you have time to reflect on it, think about it, go back and revise it, and spend more time with it. That's all I have today. Hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.